Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to create Nintendo Switch user account from scratch. So just one thing you need one email ID. Either it can be Outlook or Yahoo or Gmail, any email account you should create it before you do this. So now you need to go to the settings on Nintendo Switch. So on Nintendo Switch Lite as well. So go to users. Under user right, click on this add user. Before you create you link that Nintendo account, you need user. So I'm going to create the add user. So here I'm going to create new user. So I'm going to choose that. So give OK. And you need to enter the nickname. So once you've given the name right, just press this plus button to give OK. So the user will be added to the console. So you can click on your link in Internet account immediately or do it later. So I'm just clicking later now. So now I have created the user. So now again I have to go inside Mint. So here nickname, here I need to give link Nintendo account. So now click it. So here lot of options. You can sign in with the existing user ID or you can create a new account. Tap on that. So send account creation instructions via email. Create an Nintendo account using a smart device or PC. So send account creation instructions via email. So pressing A button. So here I need to provide the email ID. So this time I'm going to use Outlook. So once you enter right, come down or press give OK. So an email has been sent. Please check the email on a smart device or PC and follow the instructions. OK. I'm going to give OK. So now I have to enter the 5-digit code which I received on my email. So I'm going to open my mobile to check this 5-digit confirmation code. So you can check on your computer or your mobile. So I have received the instructions from Nintendo account creation. Tap on this emails. If you would like to link your Nintendo account using the 5-digit confirmation code, locate the code for the appropriate account. So I need to click this. Nintendo account creation. What type of account would you like to create? This time I am going to create an account for a child. So an account for a child, click on that. A child account can be created and managed through a parent or guardian's account. Please start by creating an account for the parent or guardian. So create Nintendo account. Parent guardian nickname. Just giving like this. So I need to create the password. Re-enter the password. Then date of birth. You should not forget this. Date of birth and nickname. OK. And fill this form. United States. I agree. Click on submit. If you want to create a child account, right, you need to create a parent account. So I have created that. So always take the screenshot of this. This should be very much helpful. Always take screenshot or save this. So I have taken screenshots. So continue to child account creation. Here you can give child accounts. So for example 2010, then choose month. So once it's done right, give OK. Parents and guardians must confirm the creation of a child account by using a credit card. Please note that a fee of 50 will be charged as part of the confirmation process. This confirmation process is only required once the parent account is OK. I'm going to give acknowledge. So I need to provide the credit card information. So once you provide the credit card information right, pay now. The process has been completed. A receipt has been sent to the email address registered to the Nintendo account. If you don't receive the receipt within the 1 hour, please visit the below. So cool. I'm going to verify. See, parent guardian consent has been approved. So I have successfully created kids account, child account on Nintendo Switch. So super cool, right? So now I'm going to give OK. So now I need to create the child's name. Choose the gender, select it, submit. A new child account has been created. Please share the sign-in ID and password with the child who will be using this account. Super cool, right? So don't forget to take the screenshot of this, and you should not reveal this information, child's date of birth or password, because someone can reset your password. So this is the way you can do. So I'm going to give OK. Now I have got this verification code. You can link this Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch console using the following verification code. So 82750. Here now I have to enter the 5-digit confirmation code. Now I'm going to enter the 5-digit confirmation code 827. Super cool, right? So once it's done, right, press plus button. This Nintendo account will be linked to your Nintendo Switch console. Name is WikiKid. So all the information is here. So I'm going to click on link button. Once this is done, you will not be able to change your linked account. So click on link. So just give OK. Now I have connected with the user and child account I have created. You can follow the same procedure in Nintendo Switch Lite. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in video forms. Bye.